Welcome back once again to the Crypto Boy channel, and thank you so much for jumping back into another video of the series Technical Analysis. So if you want to learn technical analysis, and that too free of cost, I have a $100 course on Udemy, but that is free for the next 30 days and for only 100 people. So the link is in the description and go check out the complete course. So today we are going to talk about the Solana. I have already made a lot of videos on Sol and tried to update you guys about different potential entries. So you see from the last video, I talked about this place. There's a lot of thing going on in the market right now. So I told you about this place to be the accumulation zone for the Solana, and I gave you the live signal as well in the previous video. I talked about Solana going to these points. So there was a hypothetical supposition of this place that I was expecting, and then I told you guys that I expect a rejection from there and a bounce back from this place. And this was something that I draw and I thought that could have been possible because this was a probable move. And you see the cross here, that was to indicate that I wanted to see the reaction of Solana coin on this trend line. So right now you can see that the reaction is that it got a support from this zone. So it is taking some support on this zone. So what should we expect? Okay, first I will jump to the macro scale and I want to see things there as well. Okay, the MACD, it has been green since this place, but the price is going down and the MACD is moving up. That is a divergence, just like this one, this previous divergence I talked about. Let me just erase this real quick for you guys. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see if we got anything here. So on the 1 hour time frame, I see some structure forming. Let me just show you guys. I see this is a rising wedge and not a valid rising wedge as by the analysis, but it is very famous for, like, if we take this, if we consider this, we can consider it as a bearish flag, and it would have exact targets of about this place, this support zone. It has exact targets of this support zone. So I think that this might fail the support level. As a support level, this thing might fail, and you can see the break of structure as well on Solana. So if we go there, that was a retest and it went back up. So what am I expecting? I am expecting simple one scenario, and that is this one. I want to see this one. I want to see the reaction of Solana. If it gets back up from this place, it would trigger my long entry. I would take a long position here. This is the accumulation zone. I've already told you. So those people who accumulated here at 26 and 25, they sold it here. That was a buy signal that I talked about in my previous videos, if you watched them. However, if we talk about my targets, my big accumulation point where I would accumulate a lot of this thing, a lot of this Solana, that is exactly $22, because I have told you many times different reasons I'm going to accumulate it there. Okay. Let's jump to a bigger scale. Okay, so talking about the bigger scale, the bigger version of the story, that if you want a big entry, if you want something really big, if you want to go for like a home run towards the $80 or $70, you must see this area. This is the $40 area. we must breach above this area and break this trend line as well. So if we are breaking this trend line and this one as well, let me just stretch it for you guys, that the price will go for the home run in this place. So overall it is in the accumulation zone, and we see multiple times we see these big divergence here on the daily time frame. If we jump to the daily, I can show you this divergence. I have shown this in the previous videos as well. You see the RSI, sorry, the MACD as well, the RSI as well, every indicator, every easy indicator, it is indicating this. They are indicating this. The price is moving down and the RSI is moving up. So if this thing happens, if you get this divergence, if you get a good entry right in place, already there's a lot of fear in the market. If you get the entry right, you're gonna make a hell lot of money. Fear and greed crypto, we're gonna check out for the fear and greed index. So there you can see yesterday it was 7 extreme fear. That is really extreme fear. That is the point when you should be grabbing your let's say your altcoin bag. This is the exact point. They create these fears for reasons, and they want you to miss these things, and you stay in your fears and you not take entries. Stick to the analysis, stick to the plan, and take your entries. I have already given the entries in my community as well. You can join the link. The link is in the description. And now you see I told you that this thing can break down. It seems like it is breaking down. So we will see the reaction of this trend line first. I think it is not going to hold it anymore. Or let me just check this thing. Okay, we're gonna check the RSI. Okay, the RSI seems to be entering and just entered the bullish territory, and it seems to be going back and crossing this yellow line. So we can expect the price to come down somewhere around in the low places and create another lower low just like the previous one. So that's what you should be expecting for Solana. And do not take any kind of entry on the resistance zone. Be careful while you take entries. Use tight stop losses. This is the point of control for Solana. $40. You must be looking at that point. This is an important trend line, this right there, and you want somehow to breach this whole zone for Solana to get extremely bullish, and you will get a good rally. So that's it for Solana. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. If you liked the video, please make sure you give a thumbs up and you subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.